Shut up and sit down.
Hello again, gang. Colin here at Festa 67's workshop for an inbox review on the Tamiya Honda VFR750r, and it's an RC30 motorcycle, kit number 14057. Now, you'll notice I've wrote on the side there, Joey Dunlop. Now, I'm tempted by two ideas on this, but I'll get to that shortly. First of all, let's just have a quick gander at what we're getting. Nice bit of box art going on there of the bike. See the engine detail and all of that. Got your tyres, obligatory Tamiya screwdriver, first sprue there with your frame halves, discs, swing arm, exhaust chain, forks. You've then got a white sprue with your wheels, your tank, your seat cowling, front mud guard, spark plugs, etc., and a spanner there to put the wheels on with. You've then got rear mud guard, all your engine, seat pan, handlebars, jack. So yeah, nice bits and pieces in there. And you also then have in here a clear fairing, as you can see. And if I remember rightly on this one, it's a one-piece fairing. I could be wrong. Yeah, it is a one-piece. See, there's your top half, and there's your bottom half. Well, it's two-piece to be precise, but you know what I mean. What I mean by it is that there's no seam line down the middle. See, and your canopy glass is already on there, so nice little touch that. So yeah, neat little idea that. Now, I've got a couple of options with this kit. Now, Reese over at RJC is a Joey Dunlop fan as well. Now, we've been throwing ideas around for this little bike for quite a while now. I did forget to talk about the instructions, didn't I? Tamiya instructions there. Straightforward enough. Usual exploded views, section by section. Very easy to follow. Got all your paint call outs, all your tube lengths that you cut your tubes to. Straightforward build sequence there. Making your mesh inserts for the grille, the painting, all of that is self-explanatory. And the Tamiya bike instructions are really, really well laid out. So, yeah, a really good kit, that one. Now, ideas, I've got two. Now, I can do the bike with Joey as a rider, coming round on the TT circuit, little dio, bit of road, that sort of thing. Do the bike, the rider in his levers with his crash helmet and all of that lot. I could get a straight run rider even and do this airborne, on the TT circuit, or after Joey's unfortunate death in Estonia, there is a bar, Joey's bar, and in there is this bike in a big display case against the wall in the pub, and it's all behind glass and brickwork, and and part of me was thinking, do I do the bike in that setting, with the display, the glass front, and then all the memorabilia of stuff that's in the bar, replicate it as the dyno. So you've got the bike, you've got the brickwork, you've got the photographs of Joey around the piece, and it's lit, and it looks, all intents and purposes, like the bike looks in Joey's bar, and do it as a tribute, as a memorial display that way. I really don't know. So if you're watching this race, or any of the Joey fans out there, have a look on the Google and see, and if you think that would work, I'll do that. I've done bikes with riders. I've done the Valentino with a rider. I've done the Barry Sheen with a rider, and track layouts. I'm just wondering, it's Joey Dunlop. You know what I mean? The guy was a legend, sadly missed, and I'm only talking about it and reminiscing, and I'm getting a lump in my throat, because the guy was a bloody icon, and I just got this image of doing that in Joey's bar, and having the newspaper photos and all of that memorabilia around it, with the lighting up the display case of the bike, and I'm just looking at it and thinking, in memory of Joey Dunlop. I don't know, it's got a feel about it. Anyway, I'm getting emotional, and yeah. Anyway, have a think about it. If you think that idea will work, have a look on Google, like I've said, Joey's bar. You'll see the bike in its case in the pub with the idea of what I'm thinking of. And if you think that'll work, I'll do it. Have a vote on it. Just add a comment. Let me know. And Race, if you're watching, have a think. Get in touch with me, mate. Any of you can get in touch. My email address appears in the credits at the end of this video. So I'm going to leave it there. Clear me throat. R.I.P. Joey and all of that lot. And thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.